Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing the orange peel and picking the right tools: 300-2600 grit sandpaper, a respirator, tack cloth, and clean water. Begin wet sanding the high spots with 320 grit to break the texture, keeping the pad flat so you remove peaks, not paint depth. Once you see an even mat, switch to 400-600 grit to refine the surface. Make sure to keep the panel wet and wipe residue frequently. This prevents deep scratches and reveals progress clearly. Once the texture is smoothed, you block sand across the panel with a flat block and 400 grit to ensure planarity. This step evens out low and high areas so your final finish lays on uniformly. Transition slowly to 600 grit, feathering edges to blend into the surrounding paint so you don't create a new step. After every pass, rinse and dry the surface and inspect under angled light so you can spot pinholes or remaining orange peel and correct them before polishing. You finish by compounding. Start with a medium-cut polish and a rotary or dual-action polisher to remove sanding haze, then follow with a fine polish for gloss. Make sure to work small sections and wipe residue so you don't trap abrasives. After polishing, apply a sealant or ceramic coating for durability and clarity. If you see sanding scratches or dull streaks, do not overpolish. Instead, repeat a light wet sand with 600-800 grit and repolish. This corrects issues without thinning the paint excessively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.